It is one of my favorite seasons of the year, aka fall season. I've got my tea, I've got my crochet project, and I'm ready to go. So to celebrate, let's make some fall outfits. Oh, and of course I'm putting all of these outfits under specific outfit recipe categories because you know your girl likes to be organized, but also I want you to feel inspired to recreate these outfit recipes. So if you do end up recreating any of the outfit recipes in this video, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your versions. I find that it's really interesting to see how differently people can style a very similar format of an outfit, and just how different kinds of pieces, textures, etc. can change the entire vibe of the outfit. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Jemi, and I make all sorts of fashion content ranging from personal style videos, style analysis videos, and outfit ideas like this one. So if all of that sounds good to you, stick around for some more cozy outfit ideas. And as usual, because I'm a broke and an outfit repeater, I'm using clothes that I already own. So let's get into it. The first outfit recipe is inspired by both Japanese street style and the specific style category called morike. I'm not the biggest fan of the exact pieces used in most morike outfits, but I do love the concept behind it. My first outfit is inspired by Japanese street style. Now obviously there's so much variety in street style, but the one I'm thinking about specifically is the baggy outfits with lots of layering. This is a style I saw a lot while visiting Japan, and I thought it was a really fun concept, especially for colder weather. I wanted my outfit to include mostly masculine elements and some feminine touches via the use of accessories. I am especially in love with my bow brooch. I think it adds a cute little detail to the rest of the outfit. As you can probably tell, I've been getting more into modest outfits lately due to my circumstances in life, and I've really been enjoying a baggier fit overall. Okay, so I know I literally just said that I like modesty these days, but I can't just get rid of my favorite show-off pieces. This look is loosely inspired by the idea behind morike, but I wanted to keep it really low-key because I prefer simpler outfits. While this dress is definitely not appropriate for all occasions due to the super high slit, I have enjoyed finding new ways to style it for every season. I also like the fact that because the top is shrug style, it still shows off the entirety of the dress while keeping my arms warm. I'm adding some of the sparkly elements into other parts of the outfit via accessories, such as the holographic material on the shoes and the sequin details on the bag. Overall, I think it's a fun and experimental piece, and you could keep adding layers to it to make it warmer. For this outfit recipe, I almost included an extra section for long tops over short skirts, but I've done that outfit over and over again on this channel, so if you want to see more examples of it, feel free to watch my other outfit idea videos. Today's focus, however, is on long skirts combined with short tops, since that's what I've been really into lately. I don't know about you, but I get cold really easily, so I like to add a light jacket to my outfits on colder days. If you've watched any of my recent outfit videos, I am sure you're sick of this jacket, but I am still very much in love with it. And the layer beneath this jacket is also another favorite. I keep outfit repeating this outfit because it's so pretty and simple, but it's in my mind just so lovely. Sometimes I low-key feel like I'm cosplaying Alice in Wonderland, but I love it. Also, this outfit is just so easy to recreate, whether that's with a different top or a different skirt. I think it's a very good basic format that you can build from and try different things. In my case, adding the headband and the chunky Mary Janes added some funkiness to this outfit, but I've also styled it a bit more classy before with different accessories. Overall, I'd say this is a classy outfit that I will probably keep re-wearing over and over again. This outfit is once again leaning into that morike style a little bit. It's a very simple outfit, but it's good for shifty weather and most public settings. I also like that for colder days, I could put warm tights underneath. Something about this just makes me think of either a cozy cottage vibe with some evening tea included, or the streets of Kyoto where I saw a lot of this kind of style. I also like that all of the layers are actually very lightweight, which allows me to layer without overheating. You could also wear the top shirt unbuttoned, but I was feeling like buttoned was better for this specific outfit. I know this one's definitely on the more minimalist and cottagecore side, but personally, I like that feel. And like I said with the last outfit, even simple changes like the color of the top layer could change the entire mood of this look. As a member of the broke this community, I of course find ways to recycle my summer clothes to winter to get maximum use and versatility out of my closet. Dresses are no exception, so we're going to play with some different layering options. Do I wear these boots out a lot? No. But do they look amazing with this outfit? Absolutely. If I wasn't a I can walk everywhere type of girly, maybe I'd wear these boots more, but aside from that, I've actually worn this outfit out already and I'm obsessed with it. I recently got this black cardigan from Uniqlo and I've gotten so much use out of it with my sleeveless tops. If you don't already own a cardigan, I strongly suggest getting one. I feel like it has become a staple in my closet. I added the blazer on top because what is fall for if not blazers and cardigans? And cinnamon buns and tea, of course. Also, while this outfit is definitely more on the sensual side, all I need to do is button a couple buttons and it's already more modest. 10 out of 10 will outfit repeat again. I know this dress has been getting a lot of love in my videos lately, but even though it may feel extra, I have actually worn this out for my birthday celebration. And yes, I celebrated in IKEA, I have pictures to prove it. Once again, because I walk everywhere, I wanted to include my walkable sneakers that still manage to fit the theme but don't break my ankles. If there's anything you should know about my style, it's that comfort and practicality overrules everything else, most of the time at least. For those of you that are as extra as me, stay extra, my friends. Also, I don't know how I never came up with the idea to combine the shrug with the dress before. Even though it's not in the same peachy color, I think it complements it well and allows the dress to stay as a centerpiece rather than the beautiful top part being covered up. I'm low-key considering thrifting more cardigans and shrugs like this in general because they work so well with dresses. If you are familiar with my content, you know I love my oversized button-ups, so here's some outfit ideas surrounding that concept. This outfit is definitely for my warmer climate friends. I don't recommend wearing straight up shorts if it's cold outside. I've really been enjoying this format in transitional weather though because it's not too hot but allows me to wear my warm boots. I've been enjoying varying versions of this style and I think it's just a fun, funky outfit. I think if there's any changes I'd make, I'd maybe wear long baggy shorts instead, but I have yet to thrift a pair I love. Now obviously this outfit recipe also works well with short skirts, but I wanted to give some love to these shorts that I've had some trouble styling as I just got them a little while back. Modest girlies who steal their partner's clothes for an oversized outfit, I got you. Dare I say, this outfit is everything to me because it's so freaking cool and makes me feel really confident, as you can probably tell. I could also accessorize this with my cute chain details or go in the opposite direction with some pearl accessories. See, even cool thinks it's a cool outfit, and if it's cool approved, you're good to go. Again, it's a basic silhouette, but I think it looks clean and well thought out, if that makes any sense, and that's why I like it. It also provides a more masculine frame, so if you're on the curvier side like me but don't want attention from men, this is a great option that covers you up but also makes you look cool. Obviously, you could button your shirt all the way or leave it mostly unbuttoned like I did. This one's inspired by the cool girls with bucket hats and ripped jeans. And yes, my style icons J-Hope and V from BTS count as cool girls just for the sake of this outfit recipe. Somebody call J-Hope cause I am playing copycat here. Guys, please celebrate with me as I have finally acquired a bucket hat that's not too big for my head. Is it from the children's section? Perhaps. Unfortunately, regular-sized bucket hats are all too big for my tiny head. Anyways, this outfit makes me feel like one of those popping and locking dancers because I feel like they often wear outfits like this and I just love that style of dance. It's kind of a hip-hop-esque outfit and reminds me of what I used to wear when I went to dance classes. I'm still not 100% sold on the bucket hat though because of the weird ribbing on it, but it was $3 on sale at a thrift store and I can't pass by on a hat that actually fits me literally 5 years after searching for one. What do you think? Does it look good on me? Or should I give up on this whole journey of bucket hats? what you should take away from this video is that we need more head sizes when it comes to just hats in general, because I can't wear almost any hat ever in the universe. I know that's like the one thing that fashion girlies are always like, oh, wear a hat. I can't. My head is too small. I've recently been obsessed with this sparkly top being paired with these jeans. I don't know how it took me so long to thrift a regular black tank top, but now that I can finally wear something form-fitting underneath, I can layer my more revealing tops in fun ways. Once again, the outfit format works as a simple base and could be accessorized even more, but honestly, I've been enjoying it as is. Also, I just think this outfit gives cool fall vibes and also adds that little touch of my personal style with the sparkle. And in a similar way, you can also use a basic outfit and then add to it whatever is part of your personal style. So for example, if you like chains, you can accessorize with chains, or if you like certain textures, you can choose your outfits in those textures. If you've been sleeping on it this far, let me introduce to you the shoujo outfit trend, which I think some people are trying to turn into a new version of coquette. As a full-time shoujo manga and anime fan who recently cried while watching every episode of Kimi ni Toroke Season 3, I've had a little shoujo-inspired moment going on. This is partly due to it trending more in the mainstream, but also because recently Steal the Spotlight made a shoujo outfits video and it altered my brain chemistry a bit. Fun fact about my cat, Cool, he usually doesn't like lap cuddles, but for some reason his fuzzy ass refused to leave my lap for a while. Anyways, this outfit to me feels like a classic shoujo main character date outfit. This actually feels like a crossover between Kimi ni Toroke and Nana, which is a welcome surprise to me. I've been trying to think of ways to style this headscarf I finally acquired for my closet, and I welcome more ideas as I play around with it, so if you have any ideas, let me know. Overall though, I like this oversized concept. Maybe on a colder day I'd switch the skirt out for a pair of pants, as this dress is sheer, but I'm mostly convinced that it's a cute look. What do you think though? Do you think I look cute, or do I look like a walking strawberry shortcake? I do love strawberry shortcake though, but I gotta stop talking about food, I swear. I call this shoujo girl gone off tracks because while the outfit on the whole looks similar to a school uniform, the slit in the skirt tells a different story. I recently thrifted this v-neck sweater, or whatever you want to call it, and I've gotten a lot of use out of it in outfits like this one. It feels very classy and modest, but also kinda cutesy thanks to the loafers and hairband. And I think it's a good imitation of my source inspiration without making me look like a schoolgirl too. When it comes to my style though, I do think a part of me would want to experiment more with the shoujo-inspired styles. I've often also been drawn to Lolita styles too, but I do find them to be a bit too much for me. I'd like to find a sub-style that's similar but toned down, so if you know of anything that fits the description, please let me know. I think I just want to be able to wear both gorgeous and frilly card-captor sakura dresses while also maintaining a level of comfort and not making it too hyper-feminine. I've already lived through my wannabe academia phase for nearly a decade, so I'm not going to do that, but I also kind of am. I like the classy aspect of most academia-esque styles, but I also like adding a fun twist to my outfits, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. You know I will wear my sweater vests till they break, and of course, since this is a fall-themed video, I must present one of the most versatile layering pieces. I've worn this outfit out a few times now in a couple different formats, but this one's my favorite because these pants are elite when it comes to comfort. I still haven't watched Gilmore Girls though, but I intend to do so this fall, but I feel like this outfit could belong into that world. Somebody who's actually watched the show, let me know if that's true or not. Anyways, this outfit is very relaxed while still kind of professional, and you could make it more professional by switching the top to a button-up. It definitely gives academia style vibes, but I think the fabric and cut of the pants and shirt tone it down, which is my preference to be honest. I've also worn this combination with different layering options, so I think the base works really well on days when you're in an outfit rut. Now, I don't know the details, but speaking of Gilmore Girls, I heard the main character attends or at least is interested in Yale, so of course I had to show off with my merch, y'all. Like most of the outfits in this video, this one's another I've actually worn out already and am obsessed with. I also think that with this kind of outfit, I can't quite put my finger on it, but for some reason it feels extra nice to me. Like it's put together, but it's also showcasing aspects of my personal style very strongly, like with the color blue being my preference. All I know is that this outfit actually makes me giddy and overfilled with joy, and it feels like it's really authentically like me. I'm so excited, it's finally blazer season, y'all. You have no idea how long I've been waiting to wear my blazers again. This blazer is no exception, and I think it adds a very classy look to an otherwise easy outfit. This is one of those get out of bed, panic because you don't like any of the clothes you picked out, and pull out this from the closet and you're done kind of outfit. It's simple, it's classy, it's cool, and this outfit recipe is easily recycled with any blazer. No further notes on this one, 10 out of 10. And that's all 15 outfits. Let me know which outfit was your favorite and what are some of your favorite ways to dress up for the fall. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to support this channel and maybe watch another video. And as usual, my friends, have a good fall and I'll see you next time.